In this lecture, we are going to work on deleting user profile, and only admin can delete the profile. So here I will write the comment delete user profile. I will copy this entire function, paste, and from here I will remove this complete data. Here I will change the function. I will write delete user. I will copy this function. For deleting user also, we need access to user ID. So same thing, I will copy. Here, I will give the request as delete. We have to verify whether user is logged in or not, and only admin can delete the user. Here, I will be passing that function delete user. As soon as I hit enter, function will be imported from the file. Save this. Again, inside this, we have to find the user. I will write await user dot find by ID. Inside this, I will be passing request dot params dot ID. So whatever ID I am having in the URL, using that ID, I will be finding the user. Here, I will just write if there is no user. Okay, with that ID, if we are not able to find the user, then we are just going to return this error that user does not exist. If we found the user, then I will be writing await, and inside this user model, we are having access to this find by ID and delete method. And inside this, we just have to pass the ID of the user. And how we can get access to that ID? Using this request.params.id. Below this, I'm just going to pass the response. Response.status. Status will be 200. JSON method. Success will be true. And below this, I will write message. Here I will write user deleted successfully. We have passed the route. I will come to Postman. Now I will just log in with this. Click on send. Now this user is normal user. From here, I'm just going to copy this complete route. Copy. Click on plus. Paste the route. I will just change to delete. I will click on send. I will have role user is not allowed to access this resource. I will come to log out. Click on send. Successfully logged out. I will just come here. I will write hanamtestad@gmail.com. Click on send. Now you can see role is admin. Now I will come here. We have passed one user ID. I will click on send. Okay, this user is not present. So here I am having user does not exist. This user is not present because I have just deleted the users and registered again. So I will come to get all users. Click on send. I am having this information. So this is the admin which we have logged in. Now for this user, I will copy the ID. Come here. Inside this URL, I'm just going to paste. Click on send. Now you can see I am having user deleted successfully. Now I will come to get all users. Click on send. I will only have one user, and that user is nothing but admin. Successfully, we are able to delete the users. Click on save. Here I will be writing delete user and then click on save.